Thank you for choosing HSA for all your audio-visual storage needs. In today's tutorial, we demonstrate how to assemble a full upper unit from the unassembled state. First, you will need the tools shown in order to assemble your upper unit. Please note, a short Phillips head screwdriver will be needed for proper tightening of the cams. Here you will see the sets of rack mounting hardware which are included with your upper unit. Once all parts are laid out, attach the panels to the middle of the upper unit top. To do this, match up the cam slots with the pegs and tighten. Repeat this process for all middle panels. Fully tighten cams as you go. Next, attach the ends of the upper unit. It is crucial that both side panels have the pre-cut grooves to the back of the upper unit for proper installation. Attach the bottom of the upper unit as shown. Once assembled, make sure you go back and ensure all cams have been properly tightened before moving on. Once the unit is assembled and all cams are properly tightened, you can begin the installation of the rack mounting brackets. To install, take the bracket and line it up on the upper unit with the pre-drilled holes. The washers will be placed between the desk and the bracket. Put into place and tighten the bolts firmly. Repeat this process for all brackets. Here you'll see a close-up of the mounting bracket installation for reference. Thank you for choosing HSA.